Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Everyone is falsely thinking independent, but he is dependent. But he is depending on false platform. That is the mistake of this material civilization. They are thinking of protection from a tilting platform, material world. So we have to take shelter of Krishna. Krishna is very friendly to all of us. Therefore he comes down from Vaikuntha to inform this. That is Bhagavad Gita. And that is elaborately explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. This is the only thing. So the crisis, people are faced with so many crises, problems, that I told in the airport. The reporter asked me, what is the solution of this crisis coming? And solution is Krishna consciousness, it is already there. But you rascal, you will not take it. Solution is already there. The Arabians think that this oil is Krishna's property. And the others purchasers, they also think Krishna's property. Then they must agree also, America also must agree that this land of America is also Krishna's property. If you think that the Arabian oil is Krishna's property, God's property, we shall take it by force, then why the Arabians should not be allowed to come from the desert and live in America? But the foolish, they will not come. They have got United Nations. But the United Nations means simply committing mistake. That is their business. Why don't you unite it? Yes, this Arabian oil is Krishna's property. Similarly, the Australian land or the African land or this American land, so vast tract of land. But no, you cannot come here. Go. Immigration department. You see? Go department. So this nonsense, these rascals, all these politicians, they are spoiling the situation, but they are so big rascals, they will not accept this solution. Take Krishna concentration and everything will be solved. That's a fact. Mudha, but they are so rascal, dushkitina, and full of sinful activities. Namanga dushkitina mudha prapadanti narana, and lowest of the mankind. So always remember that our preaching work is dealing with these kind of men. Dushkitina means full of sinful activities, mudha, rascals, naradhama, lowest of the mankind, and maya, abhritagana, and they are thinking they are very much advanced in education, but full number one, maya has taken their real knowledge. Maya, abhritagana. Asuri bhavamasa. Why all these things? Because they are godless. Only fault is godless. Asuri bhavamasa. Because they have taken the position, there is no God. These big scientists, they are trying to prove there is no God. This creation is due from matter, from chemical. The water has come from chemical combination, hydrogen, oxygen. These are all foolish theories, and they are getting Nobel Prize. They are getting Nobel Prize. This is the position. Therefore, from this verse we should know Evam Krishna Sakha Krishna Bhatra Ragna Avikilpata Nana Sankar. These rascals, our elder brother, advanced, They are suggesting, this is the cause of, this is the cause of, this is the cause of, this is the cause of. But the only cause is Krishna, forgetfulness of Krishna. That they do not know. The only cause. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhoga vancha kare pasate maya tare japuri. This is the cause. So try to preach this cult, but not that everyone will accept, but even a few percent, 1% of the whole population accept. Just like in the sky there is one moon only, and there are millions of stars. They are useless. What is the value of the millions of stars? But one moon, it dissipate the whole darkness of the night. Similarly, at least those who are taken to Krishna consciousness, you become, each of you become a moon and enlighten the world. These so-called glowworms, they will not be able to do anything. That's a fact. Don't remain a glowworm, just become a sun and moon. Then people will be happy, he will be happy. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.